Hello and welcome to ReaderZone. This video shows how you can create and manage your ReaderZone account through the ReaderZone mobile app. Find the mobile app at the Apple App Store or at Google Play by searching for ReaderZone. When you see this purple book icon, you'll know you have the correct app. Download the app and you will arrive at this screen. Be sure to click Allow for notifications so you can receive reading program updates from your school or library. I will click Get Started down here at the bottom of the screen. I will create my account by entering a name, email address, and password. Enter the name of the person who will manage the account. This person does not need to be a reader in the account. Next, enter and confirm an email address and password. The password must be at least 6 characters. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Your account can have one or multiple readers. You can add or remove readers at any time. Let's add a reader to this account and call him Bobby Reader. With my reader name entered, I click Next. Here you will enter a 5-character reading program code. This code will be provided by your school or library. The code I enter here is an example. Your code will be different. Upon entering the code, you will see the groups and activities that you can join. Select the groups or activities you'd like to join. If there are activities that are required, they will be automatically selected. When you're through selecting your groups or activities, click Join Selected Groups. You might see questions that your school or library would like you to answer after this step. Simply answer the questions and click Next. Now you are ready to read. Click Go to see the reading groups or activities you have joined, or you can add another reader down here at the bottom of the screen. I will click Go. This is the screen where you make a reading entry. If you joined more than one reading group or activity, you will see an indicator down here at the bottom of the screen, and you can slide back and forth between the groups or activities that you are participating with. At the bottom of every reading group or activity screen is a progress indicator, where you can see the progress for that given group or activity. For a minutes-based group, you have this timer. I'll click Start and we'll come back to it in a minute. For groups that are logging chapters, books, pages, or other metrics, you will see this keyboard. Make an entry by entering a number on the keyboard and click Confirm. That's it, your reading entry is done and you have unlocked an award. If you need to make an entry for a past day, click Past Entry, and you will see a calendar that has indicators on days that have reading entries. Select a day to make an entry and confirm the past entry. I have several options here at the bottom of the app screen. The first is the book bank. You can keep track of the books you are reading and the books you have finished. To add a book, click this icon. And be sure to allow access to the camera on your device. You can search for a book, or you can scan a barcode. Be sure to scan the manufacturer's barcode at the back of the book and click Add Book. You add a book either to the Books I Have Read or the Books to Read lists. If you are in a group that is logging books, you will see another prompt that asks if books you've read will be counted in your reading program. I will add this into the Books I Have Read area, and now I'm done. In the book bank, you can read a book multiple times. You can also rate a book and write a review for it. In the awards area, I can see all the awards that I have unlocked and the awards I have yet to earn. Just click on an award to see the full award and all of its details, even for the ones that you have not yet earned. The progress area is where you can see all of your reading entries and total progress. The screen shows all of your entries in chronological order. You can also sort by reading group or activity and a time frame up here at the top. Going back to my home screen, I will make an entry by clicking Input Time. Maybe I read 15 minutes today. I'll click Next, and that reading entry is now done. And I have earned my first award in that group as well. To add another reader at any point, click on this icon on the top left of the screen, and you can add a new reader right here. When you have multiple readers in your account, you will see a down arrow appear at the top where you can select which reader you would like to work with at any given point. To edit an individual reader, click the gear icon up here at the top right of the screen. You can enter or edit reader information in the Reader Details area. To manage the account, go back to your home screen, where I see the readers in my account, and click on the menu up here in the top left of the screen. Here, you can edit the account, see notifications from your school or library, and select between English or Spanish for your ReaderZone app. Of course, you're welcome to reach out to us anytime with questions, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you, and happy reading.